Alright, who the heck are you? Oh, Jerry, you don't remember us. Dark Brick, you're back. I thought you were dead. Oh, newsflash, we're not. Look who's also back. Did somebody say wrecker? Well, at least we have enough people now to rebuild. Oh, by the way, what the hell happened here? Let's just not talk about it. It's not important. Ding, 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 ding. We gotta continue these upgrades. The flying platform has returned. One of us. Will you morons just shut up? What's that purple glow on the top of the tower? Oh, you are the Brickmaster. I'm coming for that face.